Hi, I'm Mike. I'm in the teardown bay of I²R, and I'm often asked by customers, what should I expect when I send a power cable in for a rebuild? Well, naturally, the cable will come in, we'll open it up, we'll remove the cover hose, we'll expose the conductor, but more importantly, there's a deeper understanding that power cables can tell us. And this is the kind of reporting we like to present. Power cables are the artery of an induction melting system. Just like high blood pressure can tell you all kinds of health issues you may have in your body, a power cable can tell you issues that you may have with your induction melting system. What we look for when we tear a power cable down and report back to the customer is not only what it takes to get it back into good condition, but what we found. And what we found is information that can be used to improve your overall system. There could be excessive oxides in your system. It could be poor bracing of the power cable. The cables could be overextended. Poor water quality when it comes to excessive debris and solids within the cooling system. All of that can damage not only the power cable, but also the induction coil, as well as potentially capacitors or electronic devices in the power supply. It's not unusual for us to even take samples of the solids that may be pulled from the power cable, have it analyzed and report that back. All of that information is recorded and reported to you to be put into effect in your operation to improve your induction melting system. Our advice to you is not just consider a power cable a consumable component of the induction melting system, but learn from your power cables. Collaborate with your current supplier, determine what caused the failure, and see how that can improve your overall induction melting system.